Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear mama. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys! Hey everybody! Today it's my birthday and I will show you how my day started. So this is how my day started. When I unboxed it, I got to know it's a plant mail and I was super excited to see that mail. And you know what? It's my birthday gift. My husband ordered a few plants for me for my birthday. He knows how much I love plants, so he gifted me a few plants. Actually, he ordered all the plants online from a website nurseryby.com. It's a nursery based in Pune. He delivers plants all over India and he has huge collection of exotic plants. Actually, in India we don't get exotic plants very easily, and this is the place where you get all the exotic plants, and he knew it. My husband knew about this, and so he decided to order a few plants for me, and I'm super happy seeing them. So let's see what all plants he ordered from me. So you saw me unwrapping the box and it has 9 plants. He ordered 9 plants for me, and there is one more surprise. I'm going to show you that surprise at the end, so don't go anywhere, watch my video till the end. So first one is this watermelon Pilea. If you see the leaves, they are so beautiful. It has such a beautiful variegation and they give a feel of watermelon, so it is called watermelon Pilea. It has some another scientific name as well. I'm going to mention it on the screen. This is the first plant and it was my wish listed plant actually. And you know what, most of the plants he ordered are vining plants. Maybe 50% of them are vining, and they all are beautiful, all are in great shape. They are so big, and you know about this website, you will get whatever you see on their site. You know, I have ordered online plants many times. I stopped ordering online plants because most of the people, they cheat online. They will show you big plant and you will get something which is not even 1% closer to that picture which you have seen. But it's not the case about Nursery Buy. I had ordered plants from them earlier also, and they were also really amazing. Whatever they show, you will get the same thing at your home. So that was the first plant, Pilea. Then next one is this. Why I am holding the same plant again? It is Hoya Australis, and I just love this plant. It has such a big leaves, and the plant is also pretty good. I forgot to unwrap its pot. I will do that later on. Most of them I have done. I forgot 1 or 2 plants to unwrap. So this is Hoya Australis and it's beautiful. It's big. You can see how big the vine is. Let's move on to the next plant, and that is this Hoya Carnosa Crimson Queen. Actually, this one has 2-3 vines and they are pretty long. I'm not going to untangle them. I have wrapped them around the pot so that they won't fall out and they won't get damaged. So I have wrapped them and I'm not going to unwrap them. Should I do that? It's better to show you guys, right? You will also have an idea. See, can you see? Especially this vine is so long, it's so beautiful. There is one more vine over here and this one is there, and all are having new growth on them. So let me just wrap them first and then I'll talk. I'm going to give it proper sun so that it gets those pink shade on their leaves. So this is the third plant, Hoya Carnosa Crimson Queen. So next one is another Hoya again, Hoya Krohniana. If you see, it has such a beautiful tiny small leaves and it's so pretty. This is another Hoya in my wish list. It's so beautiful, isn't it? So let's move on to the next plant. Next one is this Syngonium Erythrophylum. Its foliage has such a beautiful color, isn't it pretty? And it's vining also. It's vining, if you can see the vine. So this is Syngonium Erythrophylum. Isn't it beautiful? I just loved it. It's so pretty. Let's move on to the next one, which is humongous. Should I show you that first, or I'll show you this one? This is Philodendron painted lady. It is smaller one, so it's not showing all that painted pattern on its leaves. The bigger leaves, the newer leaves will get more pattern, more variegation on them. So I'm just waiting for these to grow big and show the beautiful variegation on them. And I have a bee inside. Oh my god, go! Next one is this Peperomia Black Knight. It has black shade leaves, and look at the size of its leaves. They're so big, they're so thick, and succulent types leaves, and they're so big. It's beautiful Peperomia, isn't it? It's so pretty. Wow, I'm super excited and super happy. Next one is this Graptoveria Silver Star. It's a succulent and he sent it bare rooted. It doesn't have soil to its root, or it doesn't have pot. It's not potted. And when you keep this plant in proper sun, when you provide proper sunlight to this plant, what happens? It gets beautiful red color tint on the edges of its leaves, and it looks really pretty. So I will give it a proper sunlight so that it will show me the tint. So this is Graptoveria Silver Star. Next one is this Monstera Karstenuanum, commonly known as Monstera Peru, and this one is also vining plant, and I guess nursery person has instructed him that please repot this plant as soon as possible in bigger hanging pot. So we are going to do that. Maybe today only I will do it. And look at its leaves, they are so pretty. I just love this plant, and this is the another Monstera in my collection. So beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't hide my excitement, right? So I guess I have shown you all the plants which he ordered for me, and the surprise part is the nursery person, he also gifted one plant to us, which is a complimentary plant from him, and it's a coral bell. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful plant, coral bell, and that is a complimentary plant from him. So pretty. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, that's all for today. This was my birthday gift till now. So I'm just hoping I'm going to get more and more surprises throughout the day. Let's see what else I get. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get more and more surprises in whole day. For now, I'm taking your leave. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.